Hey guys, Gina DeLuca here. I'm just going to do a quick little something here to show you how I do my skins. I have tried lots of different things. I've done like the baking paper, the paper with the silicone, and what I have found is working for me the best are these sheet protectors. And the cool thing is you put it on the sheet protector and then you can put it in a binder so that they're all in one place and they're protected and it won't stick, and even if it does, it peels right up. So I had gotten these to try to use them for swipes and they were too thin, and I thought, well, maybe this will work for making skins, and it's perfect. So let's just make a skin real quick. And these are all just leftover paints that I needed something to do. I have just a little bit left of each, and there is no sense in wasting it. It doesn't take much to get you enough to make a pendant or several. If the lighting is weird, I am on the opposite side of where I usually work because I have a big painting drying and I don't want to move it. I have leveling issues, so that explains that. It will be back to normal in the next video. I think I might swipe some of this chocolatey brown over all of that. That might be very pretty. These are all metallics. All right, I say we give this a swipe. I like that blue coming out of that brown. That's pretty. I'll have to use that combination again. So this is a great way to use up your paints. This will be enough to do several pendants. The only drawback is I wouldn't recommend torching this, for obvious reasons. But generally you still get cells and it's interesting, and there's some pretty stuff going on there. There you have it. I'll bring you in for a close-up so you can see the swipe. Okay, here it is. There's still some cells popping up. But that's basically what happens, and it will peel up very easily. And again, the storage in a binder is super convenient. It keeps them safe. I dig it. So that's your quick tip for today. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. And check out the description box below for links to my PayPal tip jar or my GoFundMe, which is, the GoFundMe is actually a pre-order campaign for my 3rd CD. And my Amazon store, if you enter through that link, anything that you purchase off the entire site of Amazon, I make a small commission of, at no additional cost to you. And go make some art. Check out our Facebook group. Join us over there. Post your masterpieces, ask your questions, get some inspiration. And my website, GinaDeLuca.net. Pop over there if you want to purchase some artwork or some music. Alright, you guys, that's it for me. Hope you learned something. Hope I gave you a good idea. And I hope you have a beautiful day. Now, go make some art.